Hey, Darion 3 here again, and I just want to show you the whole set of all my Legos. Some of them fell apart, but I got a new set today, Ninjago, and I am 13 or not, whatever, I don't care. But I have my hair, it's just crazy, and can you see that? There's a whole set. This one, right here, that's new. Heat was new, the Blue Ninja, or whatever. Water, and look at that. Okay. And this guy, where is he? And this guy, he's off new, and pretty awesome. And all of those are Lego things all built, as you can see. The jet from last time's video, right there. The little jet thing. Last time I didn't show you this. You can definitely put me on this one. The sub. Guns on the bottom, right there. And police officer, and getting police officer. That's from Toy Story 3. Horseman with the gun. And crap like that. And that over here. See, that's down there. Got all that. Right here. And in the sector up in these 3 tubs is all pure Legos. And that is why we have it. So, and also for my broken iPod back. That's my accessories, but I'll show you my broken iPod. It is very, very cracked, but it hit this corner first, right here. No, this corner here. Right here. The iPod is originally white, but this corner started coming off, so covered it with electrical tape. As you can see, all the way around. Just want to let you guys know about that. I did get 2 MP3s, and I just got a new bipod. I'll go ahead and pick up that Easter. That is right there. You can see. Don't worry about the messing before. I build my own things, stuff. I like to do that. It's pretty fun, but and yeah, I got crap load of Legos, and I'll let you guys know when I got more new stuff. Maybe next month, this week, I don't know. But I do got some money left. So you can see. Don't. But got that. My wallet. Still got some money in there. I got like, I don't know, $8 in my wallet, and this 8, 5, 8. I know I have more than 8 out of my all my change. So I got a crap load of change. This right here has $3 in it. This has $1 out of nickels and and a few dimes. There. This is 100 pennies. $1. Then I have more down here. And then that's more money, so 20 units, new guy have all that. Oh crap. I'll see you guys next time.